I'm Nina Garcia. I'm here to decode your style and put you on track to make sure you're expressing yourself beautifully.
Amazing.
Okay, Brandon, let's take a look at Jessica.
It has been a very long, interesting couple of years. My father is really sick. He suffered a massive stroke about 2 years ago, and that happened a week before I found out that I was pregnant.
Wow.
Having a small child, having to care for my father, it's clothes that are easy to wear and maneuverable or manageable. This, my friend, is a wreck. It is dry, it is unmanageable. Clearly, I don't know how to do my own hair. I wanna feel like when I step outside, I'm showing passion, I'm showing confidence, and I don't feel like my clothes show that right now.
Wow. Her wardrobe is saying, I am tired.
Yeah.
And she has all reason to be tired. I have a plan for her. We need to get away from these sad, monotone colors. She's in all neutrals because she doesn't want to think. What I want to do with her is give her still the simple, sophisticated, and sleek shapes, but colors that will jazz up her wardrobe and reflect that level of energy that she already has.
Hi, Nina.
How are you?
I'm great.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you also.
Welcome.
You're like such a big deal. I can't believe I'm sitting here talking to you.
So, I've looked at the video.
Yeah.
That's a lot
It's
that you're
been
doing.
a lot.
I can relate to what you're going through. I've been in very similar shoes where my father has also been sick and I had a baby, and you're working and you need to be superwoman.
Right.
When I see your pictures, you look like you're out of control. You look like I don't care.
Right.
I know you care. I'm going to work with you so that you can add some spirit and happiness and youthfulness back into your wardrobe. In regards to your hair, you got hair. We just have
A
to
lot of
tame
it.
it.
I'm looking forward to it.
Let's go and get started.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right, so what we're gonna do is go through and keep the triangular shape that you have in your hair. What this will do is actually allow you to pull it out into a more voluminous look without it being too large for your head shape. And then we're gonna go through and highlight it to give you a little bit of movement on the ends.
The plan for Jessica is to give her a blueprint on how to dress very simply but make an impression without spending a lot of time.
We're actually gonna go through and not use a lot of makeup, but we're gonna put it in specific areas. You make the eyes really strong, use a lot of eyeliner, and smoke it up. Make it the focal point of the face. But you take the lips and you define them with a really neutral lip color. If we were to do something stronger with your lips and then do a strong eye, you would look like you were from Dynasty 1980.
Oh, I love it. You look beautiful, and your
Am I glowing?
You're glowing.
I don't look drab anymore.
You don't look drab. You look gorgeous.
Thank you, Nina.
You're far from dry.
I feel like a new woman.
A few tricks. Just a little necklace to accessorize and to finish. This is not something you're going to be able to wear all day around the house. It's just an easy thing from after work to at dinner with friends. Color loves you. Jessica, it's true. Color loves you, and you can play with that in your makeup, especially around your eyes. In terms of your hair, when you go for a haircut, make sure you always get a deep conditioning. And in terms of your style, I just want you to focus on color and print.
You nailed it, Nina.
You nailed it.
Thank you. This is exactly the change that I needed, so I feel great. It gives me, you know, that extra pizzazz, if you will.
My initial thought was, oh my God, there is my sister again.
Hot chick on the set.